Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So firstly, a very happy new year to all of you guys. So today's video is a collab with Moonbaby Nails on the theme New Year. So this is a design which she created. This is what I created. So there is a story behind my design which if you can understand just by seeing the picture then that's awesome, but if you don't then no problem. I will tell you guys while showing you guys the tutorial. So link of her channel is in the description box, so go check her out and give some love. And if you're new to my channel or if you're from Moonbaby's Nest channel, then welcome and hope you have a great time. And I request you guys to please subscribe as it helps a lot. So let's get started. So I'm starting the design by applying 2 coats of black nail polish on my index and pinky finger. Now for my middle 2 finger, I'm going to be using this temperature control nail polish by Brown Pretty, and its name is Unicorn. So basically this nail polish changes color from blue to pink to somewhat violet type, just as it's showing in the bottle. Now along with temperature control, it is also a peel off nail polish which I'm going to be showing you guys on my right hand, as this nail polish is also not working on my extensions, just like the red one which you guys have seen on my Santa Claus nail art video. Now before showing you guys the tutorial, let's dip my hands in hot and cold water to show you guys the change in color. So the left bowl contained hot water and the right bowl contained cold water. So first I will dip my hands in hot water. And as you guys can see, while I'm dipping my nails into the hot water, it's changing its color into blue. So that is what the color of this nail polish is when it is hot. And when I'm dipping my nails into cold water, it changes back into violet color. So if you guys are interested in buying this nail polish, then check the description of this video where there will be direct link of it. Now let's start with the design. So basically the story behind this design is that a person is entering into the door of 2019. That's it. It's nothing more than that. So on my middle finger, I'm going to be drawing a person with no face, just white face, because I'm making it kind of easy. And that is, the person is entering into the door, and over the door it will be written 2019. And on my ring finger, I'm going to be showing the man has already entered into the 2019 door and the door is shut. Now for index, I'm going to be write 2018, and for pinky I will write 2019. That way it will show the change in year, that is change in path. By the way, I've used acrylic paint to create the designs. So this is the final design. Now I'm using this matte top coat by Lakme on all my nails. So this is the final design. So now let me show you guys the peeling thing on my right hand. Now in my last video, I've shown you guys that if you can't peel your nail polish easily, then apply some cuticle oil around your nails and massage it. That will help it to peel. But today I will first wet my nails, and that will also help the nail polish to peel easily. So I am using my fingers to peel it. You can even use some tools to do so. So you can see that the nail polish is peeling up, but I am not able to catch the peely because of the long nails. That is the most disadvantage of having long nails. So now you can see how it peels off. So it is a really good peel off nail polish. So I will recommend you guys to go check it out and buy it. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys like it, and if so then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please comment down below whether you guys like the video or not, and if you guys want me to do some different type of videos then please let me know in the comments. I will love to do it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.